Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install the CoinGecko app. First, on your device, open the Play Store. Tap on the top search bar. Next, enter CoinGecko app. Then, tap on Search. We are going to get the application downloaded. Simply tap the install icon to begin the installation. Before installing, confirm that you have a dependable internet connection. Now let it start downloading. Tap on Open once the download is completed. You may now register or log in to use the app by following the instructions. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.